Chaos broke out at the Karnataka Legislative Council as the House was to see the tabling of the cow slaughter bill in Council. Congress MLCs were seen removing the Deputy Chairman from his seat. As the Council gathered, Congress MLCs in Karnataka Legislative Council allegedly forcefully removed the Deputy Chairman of the Council, saying it was unconstitutional of him to occupy the chair. The House Marshals had to intervene and argument broke out between Deputy CM Ashwath Narayan and the Congress MLCs. Congress had issued a whip to members of the council and all MLCs were asked to present in the House as the parties sought to vote against the cow slaughter bill.